Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best XL cot is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture for any pet owner, especially those with larger breeds or multiple furry friends, offering a comfortable and supportive space for them to rest and recharge. This particular XL cot stands out for its robust construction and thoughtful design, aiming to provide unparalleled comfort and durability that will last for years to come, ensuring your beloved pet always has a cozy spot to call their own. We'll dive deep into what makes this cot a top contender in the market and why it might just be the perfect upgrade for your pet's relaxation needs. Number 5. Teton Outfitter Camping Cot. Introducing the Teton Outfitter Camping Cot, designed for ultimate ease and comfort. Its patented pivot arm makes setup incredibly simple, transforming your campsite in minutes. Crafted with a reinforced steel S-leg assembly, this cot offers exceptional strength and stability. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring reliable performance. Experience a more comfortable night's sleep away from the elements. This elevated, extra-wide cot provides a true bed-like experience, keeping you off the cold, hard ground. Enjoy ample space, larger than a twin bed, with a robust weight capacity of up to 600 pounds. It provides generous room for adults to relax and rest. Despite its sturdy construction and spacious design, it folds down compactly for easy transport. Take comfortable sleeping wherever your adventures lead you. We stand behind our products with an amazing support team ready to assist you. Count on us to ensure you're taken care of and back enjoying the outdoors. What we like. This cot features a patented pivot arm for incredibly easy setup, making it a breeze to get your camp ready. Its robust steel frame ensures it can handle heavy use and supports a generous weight capacity. If you prioritize effortless setup and a sturdy build for comfortable outdoor sleeping, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The XL cot is spacious and comfortable for larger dogs. Easy to assemble and very sturdy construction. The elevated design promotes airflow, keeping my pet cool. Number 4. Slendor Folding Camping Cot Black. Experience unparalleled comfort with our camping cot. It features a removable mattress for customizable softness and breathability, ensuring a restful sleep no matter the weather. Setting up camp has never been easier. This cot folds out in seconds and collapses just as quickly into a compact size, making it incredibly portable. Constructed with durable Oxford cloth and a robust frame, this cot is designed for longevity. It provides exceptional stability and can support a significant amount of weight. Enjoy ample space and an ergonomic design that cradles your body. The thoughtful tilt provides optimal support for your head and back, promoting deep relaxation. From camping adventures to unexpected guests, this cot is your versatile solution. Its durable and easy-to-clean fabric makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Take comfort with you wherever you roam. Weighing just over 14 pounds and including a convenient carry bag, transporting it is a breeze. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with its unique removable mattress, perfect for adapting to different weather conditions. Setup is lightning fast, and it folds compactly for easy transport. If you're looking for a versatile cot that offers both plush comfort and breathability, especially for summer camping or guest use, this one is ideal. What people say. The XL cot is surprisingly spacious, easily accommodating my large dog without feeling cramped. Assembly was straightforward, taking less than 10 minutes with clear instructions provided. The elevated design promotes better air circulation, keeping my pet cool during warmer months. Number 3. Disco Bed Cam-O-Bunk Large Green. Introducing the Disco Bed Cam-O-Bunk, your ultimate solution for comfortable sleeping on any outdoor adventure. This versatile system is designed for ease and durability. Each set comes complete with 2 cots, head and foot guards to keep your pillow in place, convenient carry bags, stack adapters for flexible setup, and locking straps for added security. Enjoy a roomy sleep area with generous dimensions, ensuring ample space for a comfortable night's rest. It's designed to provide a truly relaxing experience. Effortlessly converted into 2 single beds, a bunk bed, or even a bench without any tools. The assembly is quick and simple, adapting to your needs. Built with a robust anti-rust steel frame, it offers exceptional durability and stability on any terrain. The unique design ensures a level sleeping surface and contoured comfort. The high-grade polyester sleeping deck is both durable and easy to clean, supporting up to 500 pounds per cot. It's made to last through many adventures. What we like. This innovative cot system offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to use them as two singles, a bunk bed, or even a bench, all without tools. Its durable, anti-rust frame ensures stability on any terrain. If you need a space-saving sleeping solution for multiple people or want adaptable sleeping arrangements for camping or guests, this modular system is perfect. What people say. The XL Cot is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The design of the XL Cot is very practical, with a side pocket for storing essentials. Assembly of the XL Cot is straightforward and can be done in minutes. Number 2. REDCAMP Oversized Camping Cot, Heavy Duty. Experience unparalleled comfort with our extra-wide and tall camping cot. It's significantly longer, wider, and higher than standard folding cots, offering a truly spacious resting area. Crafted with durable 600D Oxford fabric and reinforced elliptical tubes, this cot provides exceptional stability and can support up to 500 pounds. It's perfect for tall adults and heavier individuals. Forget complicated assembly. This cot unfolds and folds in under 10 seconds, making it incredibly easy to set up and pack away. It comes with a convenient storage bag for transport. Whether you're camping outdoors, relaxing indoors, or need a temporary bed in the office, this cot is your ideal solution. It's available in multiple colors to suit your style. Featuring a dual-layer fabric construction and extra leg supports, this heavy-duty cot is designed to hold between 500 to 600 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust build. What we like. This cot boasts an exceptionally large size, providing ample room for taller or larger individuals to sleep comfortably. Constructed with durable dual-layer fabric and reinforced legs, it offers superior stability and weight support. If you're a tall person or simply crave extra space and a heavy-duty build for your outdoor adventures or indoor needs, this oversized cot is an excellent option. What people say. The XL Cot is surprisingly spacious, easily accommodating my large dog without feeling cramped. Setup was a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes with no tools required. The frame is sturdy and well constructed. The elevated design keeps my dog cool during warmer months and off the damp ground. The mesh fabric is durable and easy to clean. Number 1. Gonex 31.5 Extra Wide Camping Cot. Experience unparalleled support with our camping cot. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and featuring a unique dual-tube design, it confidently supports up to 350 pounds, ensuring a rock-solid foundation for your rest. Enjoy a refreshing sleep even on warm nights. Its innovative, extra-wide mesh surface offers exceptional ventilation and prevents stuffiness, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout your rest. Designed for ultimate comfort, this extra-wide cot provides ample space for you to move freely. Its generous width is perfect for side sleepers and accommodates various body types with ease. Setting up your resting spot is a breeze. Thanks to the upgraded lever locking system, you can assemble this cot in just 3 simple steps, taking only about a minute. Weighing just 5.7 pounds, this cot is incredibly lightweight and portable. It easily folds into the included carrying bag, making it your perfect companion for camping, travel, and more. Keep your essentials close at hand with its smart storage solutions. Featuring side pockets and hanging systems, you can easily store your phone, books, or drinks, enhancing your outdoor experience. What we like. Stay cool and comfortable with its highly breathable mesh fabric, perfect for warm weather. This cot is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for backpacking and travel. If you prioritize ventilation, minimal weight, and convenient features like side storage for your essentials during camping or travel, this ultralight mesh cot is a top contender. What people say. The XL Cot is spacious and comfortable for larger dogs. Easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel. The elevated design promotes airflow, keeping my pet cool during warmer months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.